Welcome back to BGRS Affiliate Gist. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can successfully deposit money on your ADK's account. But before you get started, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel and turn on notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So let's get started. If you want to make deposit on your ADK account, the first thing you need to do is to click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, you wait for it to load. Here you can click here to enter the amount that you wish to deposit manually. You can type in the amount or you can choose from the default amount here if you have the exact amount that you wish to deposit here. So you can choose from the default amount. So for the purpose of this video, I will be depositing 10,000 naira. So I will head over and click on 10,000. So here is the 10,000. After clicking on 10,000, I will now click on deposit now. You wait for it to load. Now it's going to bring out the account details where you will make your payment to. So here is the account details. This is the amount, this is the bank, and this is the account number. So what I need to do now is to click on this particular icon to copy the account number. After clicking on the account, after copying the account, then I will head over to my mobile app or which other method that I wish to use for my payment. And note, while making your payment, do not use OPay. Don't use OPay accounts to make the transaction or to make the transfer. So let's quickly transfer 10,000 naira to the account. Now I will go to transfer, put in the account number, and I will type in 10,000 naira. So here is the amount. Let me make my deposit. Transaction successful. So now let me take the screenshot, share receipt. Okay, let me just take a screenshot. Now let's go to the site to check if our transaction has been confirmed. Yeah, you see it does automatically confirm the payment. That's why it turns to payment complete. So let's go and check. Now you can click on this back icon to go back. Boom, you see my balance has been added. So this is how you can successfully deposit money on your ADK account. So make sure you like and comment.